Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. For all trade, we use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trades. This video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It is primarily for the TSTW24, TSTWSY S08, and the TSTWSY S008 traders. Today is the 18th of May 2012, and the time in London is 10:35 a.m. In New York, the time is 5:35 a.m. London is now open, but New York is closed. Okay, so we are now during the London session, waiting for the New York to open later on. Alright. The title of this video is Real-Time Scalping Part 2. Last weekend we were talking about Real-Time Scalping Part 1, RTS 315, Romeo Tango Sierra 315. In this video we will discuss signals given by the RTS 315, how one can filter out false signals, and prior verification, how one can conduct prior verification before taking the signal. And we also talk more about the RTS 315. After the main topic, we will talk about Apple stock, Epic AAPL, a McDonald's stock, a USD card, Intel, Microsoft, and NI source. Thank you. Let's get started. Support for watching our video on YouTube, and also for commenting and for rating our video. The most important support is for sharing the videos with your friends. Share it on Facebook, share it on Twitter, share it on the social website. Very important. Just click on the share button below the YouTube video and share it with with Google also. Very important. All right, now going on with RTS 315, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we want to discuss the signal given by the RTS 315. Last weekend we have started already, and we will go through this very fast. So we know that when MACD 8 is going up, we want to buy when the slow stochastic 633 is oversold, which means below the level of 25. So stochastic 633 below 25, and MACD 834.9 is rising. We want to buy. As you can see here on this chart, MACD was rising, and we want to buy. MACD is rising, stochastic is oversold right here. We will buy it. Trading on a 3-minute chart. Here again there was another signal. This is about scalping with the RTS 315, my own first trading system. On the other hand, on the 3-minute chart, MACD 834.9 is sloping down, or is going down. We want the stochastic 633 to get to the level of 75, and we will sell it down. But this is how I was trading before. This is not the best way to trade, but this is how I was trading, because I was a new trader, and I was playing with the indicator. But what I was doing, I was using MACD to give me the direction, and I was using the stochastic to participate in the direction of the trend. So in fact, I do not want to trade against the trend on the 3-minute chart, and also I was respecting the cycle on the 3-minute chart. So the MACD is giving me the direction, and the stochastic is telling me, giving me the entry point when it reaches the oversold zone, when MACD is rising, and when it reaches the overbought zone, when MACD is sloping down. It was just simple and straightforward. But there are more to this. Another method that I was using what we call the TPO, the time price opportunity level. Those who are aware of market profile, if you do not know about market profile, do not send me any email. Please go on YouTube. There are plenty of videos about market profile. You can spend the whole years learning about market profile. It's about a market pattern, trend, post trend. So I was also using what we call the volume value high. So when a price reaches the volume value high, or TPO high, I want to sell but I will wait for the MACD to cross below its signal line. MACD here, you can see the green line is MACD itself. The white line here is the MACD signal. So when the price reaches the volume value high, and MACD, okay, start bending, I designed it to change color when it's going down, to start changing color to red, and it goes below its signal line. I will sell at a volume value high, or TPO high. Okay. On the other hand, if the price reaches the volume value low, or TPO low, okay, talking about market profile, and MACD crosses above its signal line, the green line goes above the white one at a volume value low, I want to give it a chance and buy, because these are a hot spot trading zone where traders, okay, are looking for opportunity to sell at a volume value high, or TPO high. And also when the price reaches the a volume value low, traders are looking for opportunity, okay, to buy. So when MACD crosses below, crosses above the signal line at the volume value low, I will look for opportunity to buy. This is what I was doing. So apart from the normal signal given by MACD, okay, I also use the MACD crossing below and above its signal line, but not anywhere or anyhow, but at a specific point, okay, when I'm using, okay, the volume value high, or TPO, okay, the market profile key levels, okay. If you do not have, okay, volume value high, I have discovered something. I do not want to go deeply into it. You can use the hourly chart, okay. So suppose you do not have a volume value high, what you will do, ladies and gentlemen, I will show you now. If you don't understand the market profile, for this strategy that I was using, you can go to the hourly chart. It works similar if you do not have a volume value high. On the hourly chart, what I want you to do, when stochastic is oversold on the hourly chart, okay, you will draw a line there on the hourly chart. So here, as you see, my stochastic on the hourly chart is oversold. I will go there and draw a line, okay. This is my line on the hourly chart, stochastic oversold, you can see here, okay. I will draw a line there. Then I will go to my 3-minute chart, and I will wait there. If my MACD at that point in time, as you can see here, this is my line, this is where we are. If you like, I put a spotlight there for you, okay. I will watch my MACD. If my MACD cross above, you can see it did here, cross above the signal line, I will buy. You see here, this is a signal for me to buy, because if you do not have, okay, the volume value high, you can use, okay, this is for this strategy only on the 3-minute chart. Repeat, on the 3-minute chart, not every time frame. You can use the hourly chart, stochastic 633, when it's oversold and when it's overbought. So when I'm looking, for instance, for volume value high, and I do not have it on my chart, as I do not have it here, I will go on the hourly chart. You see here, my stochastic 633 is overbought. I will draw a horizontal line there where my stochastic 633 is overbought on the hourly chart, and then I will switch to my 3-minute chart, ladies and gentlemen, and I will wait for my MACD, because I'm looking for, okay, volume value high. So at that point in time, I consider that level of volume value high as a resistance level. We can see this is my line here. I hope you can see everything clear. It's not very clear here. Now, and then I will look for MACD to cross below its signal line at this point in time, where you see this is a resistance zone. Because when we are trading, we want to sell at a value resistance level and then buy at a value support level. So volume value high, volume value low, these are key levels that many traders are watching. So if you do not have it, use the stochastic 633 on the hourly chart to determine which level that is approximately, okay, the volume value low and the volume value high. When the stochastic 633 on the hourly chart is oversold, it's not exactly the volume value low, but usually you will see that, okay, it will be similar, okay, or equivalent to the volume value low when the stochastic 633 on the hourly chart is oversold. So these are key levels. So when when the stochastic 633 is oversold on the hourly chart, I'm watching my MACD on the 3-minute chart, okay, to cross above its signal line. As you can see here, I show you, and then I will buy it, and I will watch the price, that the price goes. You see here, this was a good one. The price was going up nice. This is the Euro USD, by the way. Today, you see, it will just go up nicely for me, okay. On the other hand, when my stochastic 63 on the hourly chart is overbought, I'm watching that level. Then I'll switch to the 3-minute chart, waiting for my MACD 834.9, not the standard MACD. This is my own MACD. Some people will call it all kind of special MACD. It's just my own MACD with this setting 834.9. There's nothing special about it. It's just how I would design it, okay? But there are more to this that I don't want to talk about now. Talking about core value, okay? We are talking about 70%. I don't want to go deeply into all this. It's about market stable data and all the blah blah blah. So I will wait for market to cross below signal line, and you can see here the price was holding it down nicely. Okay, so this is another signal apart from the normal market. Okay, going back again, ladies and gentlemen, another signal that we take is that market cross above, market cross is above is the zero line. We want to be buying. We don't want to sell at all. Okay, the only time that we want to sell when market is above the zero line is when the price reaches, okay, the volume value high or TPO high. Okay. And on the other hand, when market is crosses below the zero line on this 3-minute chart, my market is 834.9 on the 3-minute chart, talking about the RTS 315. When market, okay, when the market is below the zero line, we want to sell. We will sell only when the stochastic 63 reach overbought zone. Okay, so for instance, here you see market is above, okay, the zero line. I'm speaking fast because I don't want the video to be too long. Forgive me, you can replay it, okay, so you can understand what I'm talking about, okay, forgive me. So here we can see that my market cost is above the zero line. The zero line is the dotted horizontal line here. I will be busy buying when my stochastic reaches the oversold zone. That's what I'll do here, buy. I'll just buy it, okay. This is like automatic. Here, buy. But this is not a good one. You can see that though market is above the zero line, is crossing below its signal line. So you don't want to take this one. If you take this one, though market is above the zero line, you need to be very careful because market cross now, though it was above the zero line, it's now below its signal line, sloping down. We will prefer the stochastic to go above 75, so we can sell it because market is sloping down, as I explained it to you before. Okay, here again you see. So as soon as market cross above the zero line, we want to give priority to buy signal. Market cross below the signal line, we want to give priority to sell signal. But we can look for opportunity to buy below the signal line when the stochastic 63 on the hourly chart reaches the oversold zone, or the price is at a volume value low. On the other hand, market is above the zero line and price reaches the volume value high. We will look for opportunity to sell. It does not mean that we just sell like a robot without thinking. We want to see market to cross below the signal line, and then we want to take it following market. We want to watch carefully. It's not market crossing below the signal line alone. We want to watch the slope of market, okay? To filter out, okay, a false signal, okay, ladies and gentlemen, there's a simple method that you can do because, in fact, we do not need market, we need a trend line. The market is doing the job of a trend line. So, to filter out false signal, as I explained to you, how do you do that, ladies and gentlemen? Pay attention carefully here. All right. Now we will draw a simple trend line. Okay, those who draw their trend line or draw channel will make excellent decisions. This will allow you to filter out, okay, false signal. Okay, so as I told you before, three things the price doing. Okay, the price moving in a rising channel, declining channel, horizontal channel, nothing else. This is about market profile. This is about market pattern. So you see here on the 3-minute chart, we have a channel in play. As soon as we have 2 points here, okay, we are waiting for it to come near it. Our market is sloping down here. I hope you can see it. It's not very clear here. Okay, we want to sell on the edge of our declining trend line here because we are in a bearish channel. The momentum is declining. You see, so this is how you can filter our false signal. Okay, you don't want to be buying in a declining channel. You can see here how the price today. This is today. The price is still live now. It's moving now. Talking about Euro USD. This is how you can cream the market consistently on this 3-minute chart. Okay, paying attention to the price itself, the number one indicator, you are likely to filter out, okay, false signal. So you see today, what I did now, I joined this point. Okay, this is roughly, I just draw a channel roughly here. You see there's another channel here going up. Okay, the price bumping between this level, there's another. So this morning you can see that first there was a declining channel. Now we come out of it, the price tried to retest it here. The same blah 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 blah, three things. Draw your channel. If you are trading on a 30-minute chart, hourly chart, 4-hour chart, daily chart, weekly chart, draw your channel. But talking about the RTS 315, this is about scalping. When I was using this method, I didn't bother to check any other time frame. Was only, okay, the hourly chart, the stochastic overbought, the stochastic oversold. If I have my TPO value high or TPO value low, or volume value high or volume value low, I do not need my stochastic, okay, 633 on the hourly chart to determine the resistance level, as I explained to you already. Okay, Now, I do not use a divergence when I was using the stochastic 834, when I was using the MACD 834.9. Okay, this is how I was trading. Ladies and gentlemen, be careful. This is how I was trading. So far, I have not written this, the document for the RTS 315. Probably by next weekend, it will be ready. And when it's ready, I will tell you how you can get the RTS 315 for free. So next weekend again, I will post another video here when I will continue with real-time scalping part 3, and then I will show you by that time the document of RTS 315 will be ready. So I will show you what you need to do, and in the document I'll explain to you more what you need to look for. Okay, talking about prior verification for RTS 315. As I explained to you, we want to talk about the signal and how we can filter out false signal, and how do we conduct a prior verification. Ladies and gentlemen, we will go to the 15-minute chart. You can see that I have here a line here. This is a moving average 20, a simple moving average 20. It does not matter. You can put exponential moving average 20 or simple moving average 20. Now, ladies and gentlemen, pay attention carefully. When I was using the RTS 315, I was not using this simple moving average 20. It was not there at all. This is something new that I add to it now, because I know a lot of traders are trading, and I don't want them to trade it like I was trading it before completely, but to have a kind of filter, okay, also to a kind of verification they need to do before they can take excellent signal. Okay, so this is something new I'm adding to it. Okay, so you can avoid making silly mistakes, so to speak. Okay, now pay attention carefully. On this 15-minute chart, 1-5, we have the simple moving average 20. You can put exponential moving average 20. Okay, it doesn't matter. Here I'm using the simple moving average 20. You can see it's the green one here. All right, it makes sense. Okay, if you can see it, I can make it a bit thick for you, so together we can learn something from this. Okay, moment please. I'll make it quite thick so you can see. It makes sense now. Okay, it's clearer. So the green one. Okay, so on the 15-minute chart we want to use it. So when, pay attention, when the price is below the simple moving average 20 on the 15-minute chart, ladies and gentlemen, we want to give priority to sell signal. When the price is above, you can see here, it's above the simple moving average 20 on the 15-minute chart, we want to give priority to buy signal when we are using the RTS 315. Now, ladies and gentlemen, those who are using the TSCW24 should understand that we do other verification, we do other things, okay, when we are trading, which means you check the higher time frames, you draw the key levels on the first best time frame, second best time frame, and the third best time frame. The price is the #1 indicator. The indicators are there to give us a warning. This is just something to help new traders. As I explained to you, this is my first trading system that I'm revealing to traders for the first time. Next weekend I will continue with this real-time scalping part 3, and I will show you, okay, how, okay, one can master this simple, okay, scalping, okay, tool. Okay, now, as always, when one is trading a trading system, one must stick to the rules and be disciplined. We have seen it recently, there were some losses in the market just because a strategy has been changed. Do not miss a trading system, stick to the rule, and be very patient. Your priority is you want to trade like a pro. Work on your ability to trade slowly, gradually, no rush. Do not worry about making money now. Just worry about being the best trader. Once you are the best trader, you will make the money by all means, okay? Because those who are making the money are the best traders, okay? It's just simple. So, simple moving average 20 on the 50-minute chart, the price below it, okay? We want to give priority to sell signal. But we don't just sell anyhow, because there are support levels. You see, on this 50-minute chart, something else that you can do, you can draw the support level also. You see? Alright? So, you don't want to be, though we are below the simple moving average 20 here, you see there is a support here. You see this level? The price changed direction here, and it came back again, touch it here. Now we are below the simple moving average 20. Are you going to sell here? No. You prefer to break below it and retest it and turn around before you sell. Again, when you are above the simple moving average 20 on the 15-minute chart, you do not buy anyhow. You will also pay attention to the support level. You see here, there's the price went up to this level and changed direction. Here again, you see it went up, it touched the sell level and changed direction. Now on this live chart, it's touching again. This is how you will filter out, okay, the false signal. Draw the channel, draw, okay, the horizontal channel, draw the rising channel. Attention on the ball itself, the price itself, the number one indicator, okay. Do not trade the indicator. The indicator are there to give you the signal. As I explained to you, as market is rising, it means that the price, okay, is is above a rising channel. That's why it's telling you. See here, market is rising. You see, the price is in a rising channel. Okay, yes or no? Okay, all right. Usually, when market is above the zero line, you will see the price will be in a rising channel. When market is below the zero line, you will see the market will be okay. In a declining channel. As you can see here, the dotted horizontal line, the market was okay below the zero line. We will be looking for okay a declining channel. You see, there's one here. Now it's going above the zero line. Sometimes we'll start early. Do not forget, okay, the hourly chart, okay, stochastic 630 oversold to determine the volume value low, stochastic overbought to determine volume value high. This is not exact science, ladies and gentlemen. Some trading is not exact science. When we are trading, we are talking about probability. We want the highest probability on our side when we are about to make excellent a decision. Okay, so this is about okay RTS 315. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, more about this simple trading tool. Do not get confused, because we will post the document on our website. When it's ready, I will let you know. It's not yet ready. Okay, but at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, I will explain to you in the next part of this video. We are talking about a core value. When a financial instrument, okay, is overvalued, investor want to sell it. When a financial instrument is okay undervalued, investor want to buy it. It's just simple, okay? But we do not just buy or sell anyhow. We will check the competition, we will check the product of the company, and we will check also, okay, the general market condition, okay? Because if the market is bearish, it's pointless to be buying, okay? As we see this week, the news has been affecting the market, okay? And we have to adjust our strategy to align with the market instead of doing our own thing, okay? So be aware of it. Another thing I need to say, talking about more about the RTS 215, when I was using this simple trading tool, I was not paying attention to the news, ladies and gentlemen. Never. I have my lines on the chart. My market is 834.9, my stochastic is 633, and that's all. Every day I come in, I'm watching my market. Okay, I set it to change color. When it's going out, to change to red, and when it's going out, it change to green. And that's what I was looking for every day. I don't bother to check when it's the news. And sometimes the news will work in my favor, which means I will see a tall candle, suddenly I have 100 pips very fast. Sometimes it will work against me because I was not paying attention to the news. That's why we talk to traders about the trading triangle. We must trade first the market, the sector, before the individual financial instrument. The heart of the trading triangle is the leaders, the news, and the fundamental. Do not discount any part of the trading triangle. Put it to use. It will not harm you, but it will assist you to make a better trading decision. You may say to me, George, this is too much for me. I'm a new trader. Take it step by step, as I explained to you, the system of ladder, one at a time. Okay, one at a time. Do not repeat the same mistake over and over. Know your weaknesses, because the worst thing you want to do is to repeat the same mistake over and over. Once I discover that, okay, I should pay attention to the news, I start paying attention to the news. I spend most of my time on my Galaxy Note, checking my Google Finance, Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg's, and all the financial news to know exactly what is taking place, and also to go into the mind of other traders. As the music is changing, the dance must change, as you see this week, okay, for the Eurozone and all the blah blah blah, and the G8 this weekend, okay. So this Friday, we know that the euro has a high chance to go up. Why? Because the G8 is this weekend. A lot of traders that were bearish for the euro will close their position or move their stop loss to secure their gain, because they don't want to leave their position anyhow. But at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, the price is the number one indicator. I invite you, ladies and gentlemen, to follow me into the next part of this video, where we will discuss Apple stock, McDonald's, the USD card, Intel, Microsoft, and NI. The second part of this video, when we will talk about Apple stock, McDonald's stock, Intel stock, and Microsoft stock. Now, The first thing that we need to remember when we want to sell a financial instrument, okay, we must check the core value, okay. When a financial instrument is overvalued, okay, 3 times the core value, 5 times the core value, we want to look for opportunity to sell. On the other hand, when a financial instrument is undervalued, below the core value, we want to look for opportunity to buy if, okay, the company is coming up with excellent product, is handling very well the competition, and the global economic environment is okay, excellent. Okay, so when we look at this okay, piece here, okay, the core value is the blue section. When we are talking about the core value, I usually refer to 70%. Some traders may disagree with that. That's your evaluation. My evaluation of core value is 70%. We also use the smart media line, which is the technical fair value, to determine okay, the core value. Some fundamental trader will use the net asset value, okay, to determine the core value. There are different ratios trader can use, okay, to determine okay, the core value. But generally speaking, when we are talking about core value, we are talking about 75% or the real activity, okay, the real value of okay, company, okay, or the real activity, okay, of a company. Okay, so we're looking at this. Okay, when we see a financial instrument that is 5 times, okay, the core value, we want to look for opportunity to sell. Okay, on the other hand, when we see a financial instrument that is a value below the core value, okay, we want to look for opportunity to buy if there is a value or quality. All right. So anytime we want to sell, we want to know whether the financial instrument is overbought or overvalued. Okay, crazy valuation. Okay, when we see crazy valuation, we know that the business is not going to expand. There is no more new product coming up. There is no more expansion taking place. Okay, but the price is so high, okay, so to speak. Okay, so we want to compare the current price to the core value. By knowing the core value, we can compare the actual price to the core value. And when we know that the ratio between the actual price and the core value is too high, we want to look for opportunity to buy. We want to look for opportunity to sell. And when we know that the actual price is below the core value, if there is quality and value and the economy environment is excellent, we want to buy. It's just simple. So whenever we are trading, we are not just getting excited about trading. We are thinking like an investor, try to determine what is value and what is not, okay, a good value for us. Okay, the next thing, talking about trading, we want to use the trading triangle. It does not matter which trading system that you are using, okay, whether you are using a TSCW24, TSCWSY-S08 or a TSCWSY-S008, you must always, okay, apply the trading triangle. We are trading first the market. If the market is going down, okay, we must give priority to sell signal. Okay, if the market is going up, we must give priority to, okay, buy signal, paying attention to the market first, represented by the S&P 500, the sector, okay, before the individual financial instrument. The heart of the trading triangle, that's the engine of the market. We are talking about the leaders, the news, and the fundamentals. Talking about leaders, Apple stock is a market leader. Beginning of a few months ago, we were telling traders to watch Apple, whether you are day trading or swing trading, you are trading currency or commodity or any other financial instrument, you must watch Apple and Google. These are market leaders. They can change the dynamics of the market. And as Apple start going down, as you can see on this chart, this is the quarterly chart, the market start going down. That's the weighting, okay, of a financial instrument. Okay, you see now. So when we see Apple going down, we want to give priority to sell signal. We don't want to Apple is going down, the market is going down. We want to look for financial instrument that we can sell. We don't want to buy. We are not interested to buy anything at all. So the strategy to buy will be valid when Apple was going up and the market was going up. But as the music has changed, we will change our strategy. This is the problem some traders will face. So they are using trading system like robots. That's what we are talking about. The most important trading tool is the trader, your understanding, your experience, okay, your ability to trade, okay, and also paying attention to other market participants, the cycle and the season. Very important. Talking about Apple stock, this stock was going up. You see a diagonal move. This is a normal progression in the market. Some traders disagree with what we are talking about here, but this is our trading tool. you can use your own trading tool. You can believe what you want to do. You can make your own choices. But this is what we use. Okay. A market in normal conditions should go in diagonal move. When we see the market going vertical, we know there's a distortion. It does not mean that the price will definitely come down. We just acknowledge the distortion. Very important. It's better to know than not to know. Okay. So we were telling traders that Apple was going vertical. It will come down, and it starts coming down now. In normal condition, ladies and gentlemen, talking about probability, there's a high chance that Apple stock may come down to the zone of 400. Okay, 410. This level here, 410. That's a high chance. Does not mean that it will definitely go down. Okay, but there is a high chance. Talking about probability, we will highlight the range of this quarterly candle here. You see here, this one here for Apple stock, a market leader, which is a barometer for the market itself. Okay, we want to know what the market leaders are doing in order to align our strategy. Okay, so we do not trade against the market leaders. Okay, or the market itself. Okay, moment please. All right, I'm trying to draw the median line, so we highlight the range of this candle. There's a support level, which is the median line of this candle here, around 515. Okay, so watch it. Okay, so there's a high chance Apple may come down to the level of 410. That remains to be seen. This is not a signal to sell. And also there is a support here at 515. All right, a diagonal move, vertical move. Okay, projection to the other side. There's a high chance that Apple may come down here. If Apple is going down, bringing the market down together, we will give priority to sell signal. We are not interested to buy anything when this is taking place. This is about the trading triangle, the leaders, the news, and the fundamental. Okay, so this is about Apple, and also at this junction, what the market leader is doing and what the market itself is doing. So we may give priority to the best strategy. Okay, the next candidate is McDonald. It is the same thing. It's also the Dow leaders. Okay, you can see there was a diagonal move. In fact, for McDonald, we have A, B, C, D. Okay, a pattern. Okay, if you don't know about ABCD pattern, you do go to www.stochastic-macd.com. Okay, so we have an ABCD chart pattern. Okay, completion here, and also we have a diagonal move and a vertical move. Okay, price was going in normal progression up to somewhere here, and then we have again a distortion. Okay, price went fast. I was telling this to traders. I tweeted about this few months ago. I was talking about it all the time. This stock is overbought, but it was not easy to sell this stock because this is a bullish cow, so to speak. Okay, so but finally you can see that the market is rectifying the vertical move. Okay, if you want to do the same thing that I've done with Apple stock, you will highlight the range of this the green candle here for McDonald. Okay, all right, and watch also the median line of this range of McDonald. Talking about a vertical move, diagonal move. This is our trading tool. Okay, it's not part of a TSTW. Okay, but this is my own trading tool that I use, things that I pay attention to. Okay, that I'm telling traders. You can perfectly disagree with it, but it is my own trading tool. Okay, that is suitable to my trading style. Okay, all right. So we see now it went diagonal, went vertical. Okay, we expect it to come at least into the zone of 8400. What's the support level at 8400? The median line of the range of this candle, we are now below it. Okay, 93. We are below it. The same thing we are expecting Apple to go below that median line for the range of the candle that we have highlighted. But there is a high chance that this McDonald may continue the movement in the zone of 8400. That remains to be seen even below that. Okay, so because the market is rectifying itself after a diagonal move, a vertical move, retracement to the opposite diagonal. Okay, next candidate, Intel. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Intel. Okay, we posted a video at www.stochastic-macd.com when we tell trader about when we were explaining to trader what is the ABCD pattern. Normally, this the D, the projection, the target zone for D, talking about ABCD pattern for Intel, is in the zone of 33, okay, 33, 33, okay, 33. But there is a resistance, okay, before that, okay. Looking at this chart, this resistance in this zone here, where I highlight, you see this resistance here. That's where the price did stop, okay. This line here, okay, this resistance here. You see the price went up there and changing direction. This is a hotspot on the zone. You have it ready. Watch the you have it ready. Watch the previous hotspot on the zone. That's where Intel was going. This is the problem. Intel is bullish, but Intel must give a healthy pullback. The market sometimes they get crazy. People buy and they want to buy anyhow, anywhere, anytime. But that's not the best way to go. Yes, it's bullish, but it must give a healthy pullback. We were talking about this. Intel must give a healthy pullback. Now you can see on this quarterly chart, it starts giving it back. Okay, so if you bought this before, okay, this is the mistake some swing traders are making. They are in the trade, they know that it's bullish. Everything looks bullish, but the price will give the second wave and also the fourth wave. Though we are in the uptrend, we must have the second wave and the fourth wave. Okay, so the healthy pullback for Intel in normal conditions should bring Intel into the zone of 2400. The price now at 2619. There's a high chance that this Intel, though bullish, must retrace back down to give us a clear cut, okay, move to the downside into the zone of 2400. We will not just assume that it will definitely do it, but there is a high chance that it will do it. But if it's doing it, we will use our trading tool to participate, okay, in the direction of the market. We will keep our eyes on the ball. It does not mean that we just go and sell Intel every day, okay, anywhere, but we will trade like professional traders on the edge. Okay, this is about Intel. We are expecting a healthy pullback. Almost 2 months now we were talking about this. Intel, okay, must give a healthy pullback. Is giving a bit of pullback now, so it's good. This is about Intel. Microsoft, next candidate, same thing we were telling traders. Microsoft, Intel are bullish, but we were expecting a healthy pullback. Microsoft has been a friendly stock because as soon as the price hit the level we were talking about to give a healthy pullback, it was quickly giving a healthy pullback. Okay, you have to agree that Intel, because Apple was going up, Intel was going up. Intel is bullish, excellent product, but the price must give a healthy pullback until the market understands that the pullback, the healthy pullback, are important. Okay, so you do not just buy anyhow. So take first profit, the first fruit, take it, wait for the retracement, invitation for new traders to come into the market to start, okay, a new leg to the upside. But sometimes the market is so greedy, okay, so greedy and greedy and greedy, and people don't want to come out, and sometimes they give up, okay, their game. But I'm not criticizing how people are trading, but it would be nice, okay, to allow the market to flow as it's supposed to flow. We know that it's at a resistance level. You see, for Microsoft was excellent. Try hit it, okay, it start rolling it down, which is nice. We are expecting Microsoft in normal conditions almost done into the zone of 2900. We will see, okay, it's almost done. There's a high chance that the price will continue the movement to the downside, maybe at the end, up to the end of June. We will see, or end of May at least, and we will watch it carefully. No rush until we have a clear-cut entry point to buy it for the second time. We will see. We just watch it. There's a trend line here on the quarterly chart. You can see, okay. So it may roll it down all the way here. We don't know. It may roll it up to this 2900 zone. That will be a better place. That will be a fair place to stop, okay. Unless the market want to push it to retest completely this trend line, which is not fair, okay. All right. Looking at the a yearly chart for Microsoft, there's nothing I want to show you there. So this is about Microsoft. Okay, we are expecting a healthy pullback. You can see that the market leader Apple stock is giving a pullback. Okay, all the stock that were following Apple, okay, were also giving a healthy pullback. That's why we must pay attention to the market leaders and the market itself. Okay, that's why the market itself is going down, because market leaders pulling all, okay, the component of the Apple stock pulling all the component of Nasdaq 100 to the downside. Okay, we can see that Nasdaq going down and the market going down. People talking about why the market is going down, because the market is overdue to give a healthy pullback. If you want to swing trade or you want to day trade, you must respect, okay, the trading triangle and, okay, watch the market leaders so that you may apply the best strategy Otherwise, you'll be going round, 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 and you don't know exactly what is taking place. Okay, so this is what's taking place right now. I want to show you something very fast, talking about Intel before I start. Okay, for Intel, when we look on the talking about okay, a higher degree, talking about higher degree for those who use the Elliott wave, we can see that okay, though we have ABCD on the quarterly chart for Intel, we can see that on this yearly chart, if I draw a common sense a trailer like this, I will remove the top one here, okay, and some of this one here. Moment please, as I'm doing it, please, ladies and gentlemen, moment please. Okay, now there is a kind of triangle on this yearly chart. You can see that we come out of it now. Okay, there is a support also here, this line here, the high of this candle here. Okay, and also you see the closing. You see there's a kind of support here, and Intel has a high chance to continue the movement to the upside. Okay, very bullish. You can see there's the simple movement of 20 on the yearly chart, also very, very bullish. Okay, but if you want to be bullish, completely bullish, you must wait for the market first, okay, the sector, before being completely bullish. Otherwise, you have to adopt day trading strategy or short-term, okay, trading strategy. Okay, all right. Alright, so this is what we see on the yearly chart. So, in fact, on the yearly chart, you may see that this is the first area wave coming out now. That remains to be seen. We will see what the market will do. We will also acknowledge, okay, the 6 critical price level, the small median line, okay, for okay this Intel. But there are resistance here, okay, the high of this candle, all this candle here, okay, the closing price, the opening price. As the price going up, we must watch those levels here. There's one around 32, okay, 00, okay, another one at okay, around 36, okay, and another one at 40, okay. This is what we see on the yearly chart for Intel. Okay, I invite you, okay, to follow me into okay the next video when we will talk about okay USD card and NI stocks.
The last part of
see you
this
in the
video.
next video. We will talk about the USD cards and the NI stock. Okay, this is the Euro USD, by the way. As I explained to you this morning on the 3-minute chart, we had this bearish channel, and then we have this rising channel. Now what is taking place on this live chart now, the media line of our first rising channel, you see here, this is the media line of our first rising channel. Now the price is below the previous channel. Now we have a new channel here. The top of the new channel, this is the new channel, this is the top of the new channel, this is the base of the new channel now. Okay, as I explained to you, a lot of traders will prefer to take profit after the bearish season for the euro because of the G8. Okay, the 8 the most okay industrialized okay country in the world, talking about Japan, Italy, Germany, United Kingdom, Canada, US, Italy. Okay, the 8 okay most okay a prosperous nation in the world will gather this weekend, okay, at Camp David, okay, United States. So a lot of traders going into their mind will take their profits, okay, and that will cause the euro to go up a bit. Keeping eyes on the ball, drawing the channel, okay, we can make excellent trading decision. Okay, now the next candidate is the USD card. Okay, USD card. Okay, moment please, it's coming up. Okay, the US dollar Canadian dollar currency pair on the 3-minute chart, you see this bearish channel going down. It's all the time channel, ladies and gentlemen. We go quickly to the monthly chart. Okay, as I explained to trader before, we are bullish, okay, but it has been a long time because the market is going down, up, because of the hedging activity. As traders are buying the USD yen, they are selling the USD card, and if they are selling the USD yen, they are buying the USD card. It has been an excellent performance for the USD card this week. Okay, was a poor performance before, but this week has been excellent. Okay, now the price at 10150, very gorgeous. Okay, above the psychological price level 9929. We smashed that level beautifully. Okay, so if I remove some lines very fast on this chart, okay, You can refer to the previous video. Everything we have said before still valid. Okay, so we are now, we break above it bullishly. Okay, we must now, okay, watch, okay, the key levels. There's one around the zone of call it 10250. That's where the price did find a resistance today. You see here. All right, in my view, this currency pair should continue the movement to the upside. Okay, but we will see what's going to happen. We will pay attention to the channels. Okay, in my view, this currency pair should continue the movement to the upside up to the zone of if we draw a channel like this, ladies and gentlemen, if we draw a channel like this, this currency pair should go at least median line for this one, somewhere here. Okay, 10380, 10380. We are now at a resistance zone. The best strategy is to take profit, allow it to come above again this level of 10220, 10220, and then give us again another clear indication, and then we'll take it to 10380. If it's going down, we will sell it. If it's going down, we'll buy. But because we're above the psychological price level, we want to sell above the psychological price level. You must sell within a bearish channel. Do not sell anyhow. But we are bullish towards this currency pair. We want it to continue the movement up to the zone of 10380. Okay, that remain to be seen. Okay, that remain to be seen. So just keep eyes on it and trade it like a professional traders. Okay. The next candidate is NI source coming up. Where are you? Now, if I can see it, I will just stop the video here. Moment, please. You see the one here? I'm going to bring on now. You can see here there is a V pattern for NI source. The epic is November India NI source. Okay, yeah. Alright, if my pronunciation is not correct, okay, you can just laugh about it, okay, and continue watching the video. Okay, right here, okay, we have a V button, a V pattern. Okay, alright, there is a resistance here, ladies and gentlemen. We are looking for opportunity to sell this NI source. Okay, as long as the price remain below the level of a 2500, priority to sell signal below the 2500, ladies and gentlemen. If the price rolling it down, we'll use the Fibonacci retracement tool. Okay, I will stop it here instead of going all the way up here, and we will expect it to come down at least to the zone of 1850. That's the 38%. Roughly call it 40%, 1850, that remains to be seen, which is coming near this hot spot trading zone. Okay, so we will expect it to that. Okay, investor take some profit. Okay, allow it to come down to the zone of 38% Fibonacci retracement zone around call it 1900, call it 1900. Okay, this hot spot trading zone. Okay, but if the price breaks above, okay, this 2500, and the final support above it, and the movement and the bullish momentum remain intact, which I doubt very much. Okay, we will give it a chance, but carefully. If you are buying above here, be very careful. That can be, okay, a bullish trap. Okay, in normal condition, this is due for a healthy pullback. The first target is 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. The greediest target is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level into the zone of 1650. The price now at 2466. We will keep our eyes on it, ladies and gentlemen, using our trading tool in order to make excellent trading decisions. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of this video talking about okay, real-time scalping part 2. Next weekend we'll continue with real-time scalping part 3, when I will explain to you more about the RTS 315. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTW